Before you begin, remove the top cover, wireless LAN module, display panel assembly, hinge cap, display bezel, and display panel. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the webcam. Carefully remove the webcam bracket from the display enclosure. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully remove the webcam from the adhesive and alignment pins that secure it to the display enclosure. Replacement. Connect the display panel cable into its connector on the webcam. Place the webcam onto its alignment pins and gently apply pressure to the webcam to adhere it to the display enclosure. Place the webcam bracket into position on the display enclosure. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure.